In this video, I will show you how to use Perplexity AI to outline your next YouTube script efficiently. Let's get started. I'll begin by heading to the Perplexity search bar to do some initial research on how to best utilize the tool for script writing. I'm typing in a request to find the most effective ways content creators use Perplexity to organize their video outlines and summarize the key benefits. As the results come in, the AI provides a clear breakdown of the research phase, outline creation, and drafting process. It highlights how I can use the platform to explore trending topics and identify content gaps, helping me build a more unique and valuable script for my audience. Next, I want to generate a specific structure for my video, so I'll type a follow-up prompt. I'm asking for a detailed outline for a 10-minute tutorial on this very topic, making sure to include a hook, 3 main steps, and an outro. The AI quickly generates a comprehensive video outline, complete with estimated timestamps for each section to help me stay on track during filming. This response breaks the process down into researching the topic, generating the core outline, and finally refining the script into a polished, high-quality draft. To wrap things up, I'll ask for some help with the video's marketing and performance. I'm prompting the AI to suggest 3 high-retention opening hooks and a list of 5 SEO-friendly keywords specifically for this tutorial. Perplexity provides several creative hook options, such as a bold promise to save time or a pattern interrupt to grab the viewer's attention. It also lists key search terms like AI YouTube script generator and outline video with AI, giving me everything I need to move from a rough idea to a finished searchable video script in just a few minutes. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.